Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and in today's video, I want to show you a service that is presented by Expert Forex that's been around for, I think, more than 18 months. Um, I haven't used it in the past, although it's been available to me for free because I'm a premium forum member of Expert Forex. I've in the past only used the EAs or uh, trading robots. I've bought quite a couple of them in the past, and I've had mixed successes on and off. And then I knew about the link to success service, but I've never used it before. But in last 2 weeks, I've joined it now as I get it for free with my premium membership. And I thought I'll share it with you because I was pleasantly surprised how easy it is to use. And what's the big benefit of it is that you can copy other traders or successful traders that has got a proven track record with the robots of Expert Forex. So yeah, this is the landing page. I'll put the link in the description below so you can check it out. Um, and then what I want to show you first of all, you can please read all the information here. They've got a lot of stats here of all the different robots that are running. You can see the base monthly average gains. It's from crazy 85% all the way down to 13%. That's per month. And okay, that's not all the robots. It's about 64 available currently, and they're always adding more. You can watch a short video about how to get started, and you only need $100 to get started because we're using cent accounts with FPS. So you take your $100 and FPS will change it into a $10,000, and that will give you much more room to trade. And you'll also be able to link more robots or accounts to your $100 account. But you can see all the list of robots or trading accounts rather. You can see the signal provider link number. That's the number or the link that you're going to use to link or to use to copy the trader. And you can see the success. That's a starting capital. So you can see there what the size of your account should be. You can see the smaller accounts as well, 1,000. So, but you can adjust in the robot or in the copy trader. You can um, adjust your settings to increase or lower your exposure to this account. And then you can see what instrument they are trading, the gain since listed, monthly average, and yeah, and yeah, they also got a risk classification of each. But and you can also see how many guys have linked to this so far. And what's also nice, you can click on this link here and will take you to the FX Blue account, and you can see in detail what's going on. You can even click on the Excel button here, and you can download all the trades it's ever made. You can see the equity chart, but you can also play around with all your different settings here. If you want to see the drawdowns, you go to floating profit and loss, and you can have a look at what the drawdown has been in the past. You can see in the beginning was hectic, and then it smoothed out now. So they keep on optimizing these robots as well. You can see there's the the currency pair that it's trading, and so if I just go back, I just want to see, yeah. So what I want to show you how easy it is to link to or set this up. I'm just going into my VPS, and what you do is you just load um, the expert advisor. They call it the trade receiver expert advisor, but you just open up any currency pair, I normally, if there's some of them that are trade with various currencies. Like all these, you can see the currency pair there, indices, but here you can see various. Okay, jump now. You can see here some of them are various. You can also see these are set up for FTMO challenges. I haven't tried them out. That's the next thing I'm going to do. Because I've got very low drawdown, because that's always a challenge with the FTMO. But you can use this with any prop firm challenge anyway. So you can see some of them are varied, but some of them you can see the currency. Then it trades only that currency, so you can upload that only that currency. But I'm just going to take the first base one. So you load your chart, and then you just drag your EA on here, and there's only two settings that you're going to change. First of all, here you're going to put in the link that you want to copy. So if I want to copy the number one here is link 12. So I just type in here link 12, and then the other measurement is here. So if you want to link it 1-to-1, or if you want to take lower risk, you can change it to 0.5 of that, or you can, if you want to increase it, which I don't recommend, you go to 2. But the standard is just, you can just leave it as 1 and then see how it trades. And obviously demo trade it first. You can see I'm using real accounts here, and then you just press OK. I'm not going to press OK now because I've already used all my licenses. I've got 3 licenses, and I also bought additional 3. So if you join the premium forum, then you get 3 for free. But I bought another 3, and then you're going to pay for that. I'll show you the fees just now. But here you can see what it looks like. This is what the EA looks like. Then you can just click on that. Then you can see exactly what's going on. You can see realized. These are the profits realized. Open, there's 4 positions open at a loss of $119. Overall, $30 in the negative. So, and yeah, you can see all the positions that are open currently. But this is one that's a various currencies, because this is the prop crusher. It's a brand new EA that we not able to buy yet. It's going to be available in the next month or 2, but we can link to it from that page I showed you. So this is link 1000, link 15 is this one's name. So I'll just show you. If I go to my expert advisor properties, there I've just entered that in, and I've multiplied mine by 5, because this one is for a $1,000 account, but this is a $20,000 account. So yeah, you can play around with that, but first demo trade it, so you get familiar with it, especially if you're brand new. But if you've never traded before, this is the easiest way to get started with Forex trading. And it's not just Forex. There you can see silver, there's indices, but yeah, you just copy the best traders here. But this is a sales page. I just want to show you, if you scroll down, it's got more stats there and more videos and information. And then here you join the premium forum, and here's the price. The price is $74 per month. So you click on this button, and then you go to much more detail about what you're in for, and you can see the extra license. I bought extra 3 licenses now. It's $20. As my accounts grow, I'll buy the 7th account, and then later I'll go for the unlimited for 60 per month. But you must remember this fee is on top of your $74. And the $70 increases all the time. I joined the premium forum 4 years ago, and it was $24, and now it's already $70. So as soon as you join the beta, of course, your membership is fixed. So even though the membership is $74 at the moment, I'm still paying only $24 a month. But yeah, I'm paying extra for these accounts. So as soon as you then log in, I just want to show you what the forum looks like inside. Do I have it open here somewhere? Um, then yeah, then it will look like this, and uh, you can see there's 15 benefits for joining the premium membership. I joined the premium membership just for these benefits. This was even before the linking service was here. Here you can see premium trading robots you get for free. There's a premium member discount, so the other EAs I'll get 60% discount. There's 15 manual trading courses. If you know nothing about forex trading, you can do those courses for free. And then yeah, there's all these benefits. There's 6 free Udemy courses on trading. Um, and then there's also the proprietary trading special project where members share their successes and failures with FTMO and other prop trading firms. But the one that I want to go to now is this one for the linking service. So it's benefit number 15. So you just click on that. This is in a forum format. So you just click on the first, read that one first, then go here to download your receiver robot. Here you can buy the extra accounts if you want to expand your business, because it's better to have a portfolio of robots trading for you. I've also set up a portfolio this week as well. I'll just show you. Here's my portfolio, but there's some of my older accounts included here. The new ones are these. That's an older account. You can see that one's got quite a lot of profit already in there. But my overall profit, I think, is 10% per month. Um, but yeah, there's a mixture of. I've got 6 linked accounts and two of my own accounts that is still live in there. So I've created this portfolio now to see to show you my progress. In the future, I'll keep you updated regarding that. So I want to show you the forum. Yeah, so you just click on these links here, then just read all the information. It's in detail. There's so much information here, but you can also send me an email if you get stuck, or WhatsApp me. I'll put my details in the description below. Um, so yes, if you join with my affiliate link, because I'm going to add my affiliate links below, then obviously I will help you get started. And here's all the recommendations, all the steps to take. I'll also in the description put down the steps that you need to take to get started. And there's a lot of videos that Alex has made to help you get started. Um, so yeah, so you just go through all these and then open up a demo account, and then at FPS, I recommend FPS for South Africans. I'm in South Africa and it works great. They've got very good service, and yeah, I'm very happy with FPS so far. So I can highly recommend them. And they've got the cent accounts. Not all brokers have got cent accounts. And then yeah, go through the guidelines, and if you get stuck, you can always ask a question here and create a new post, and then just communicate with the other members. Alex also will reply to your post. So yes, I highly recommend you check out the link to success service from um, Expert Forex. Um, I'm pleasantly surprised so far with the success, and I've also seen other members have good success creating a portfolio of these robots here at the bottom. I would say try and get 10 of them, um, and then yeah, at least start with 3, and then just build it up, and then yeah, build yourself a successful forex trading business that way. If you've got any questions, please comment below or email me. I'll put my email and my contact details in the description below. And yeah, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for follow updates on the Link to Success um, project that we're on now. And yeah, I'd like to hear about your successes as well. So, yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.